Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't posted in like a really long time. Well, I made another YouTube account and it's with LPS, but now I'm back with some crafts, including drawing, slime. That's really it. I just love to draw and I love to make slime. So today I'm making some galaxy slime, like over here. I don't know if this is good. Yeah, over there. But anyways, yeah, today I'm making some galaxy slime. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so there's directions on the back of this, and it says you need some contact solution, glue, and the glue actually comes in a package. That I saw that. That was really cool. And a mixing bowl and a tool to mix with. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so first I'm going to add in my glue. This is actually my first video with me talking in it, and with me actually making a slime. I've never actually made a slime before. In the lighting, this blue is actually kind of darker. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has a lot more sparkles in it too. I'll add more in later, but I don't really want to now. Alright, so now I'm just going to mix it up a little, I guess. Not really sure. So yeah, next you'll need to add in your detergent. Sorry, not detergent, but solution. So let's just add a little bit in. That's a little bit more than a little, but yeah. So I'm just gonna kind of mix this in, and alright, now I'm adding a little bit more. I'm adding little by little because if you overactivate it at once, it'll totally just turn into a gigantic clump of, I don't know, glue. And it does not feel good. It feels like rubber almost. And yes, I have done it before. It doesn't, no, it just doesn't work. So yeah. Alright, so you guys, I just now realized that I missed a step, thanks to my sister though. She actually showed me that we need baking soda, so she can just add that in. Thank you, Hannah. That's her nickname. Not going to tell you her real name, but yeah. So I'm just going to kind of mix that in. Alright, so I added in a little bit of baking soda and I mixed it together. Now I'm adding in a little bit more solution. As you can see, it's kind of coming together, but this is actually like a different type of glue because it's like glittery. But yeah, it's not the normal Elmer's glue, but it's a glitter glue right here. You can see that it says glitter. But it's like not working as well, and usually I use detergent, but on the directions it said not to use that. So I'm just kind of using solution and baking soda. So I'm just going to kind of mix it in a little more, and I'll give it back to you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm back, and I just added a lot more ingredients and a lot like a slime. I don't know if I should go in with my hands yet, but I'm going to anyways. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this feels so amazing. Oh wow. This is a really cool slime. I've actually never made a slime with baking soda and solution. Oh, that's my sister's. She just had to feel it. So yeah. Alright, so sorry, my camera's about to fall, but when you stretch it, you know that feeling when you first make it? It just has that feeling when you stretch it. That's what it feels like with this slime. This is a really cool slime actually. Like it stretches, doesn't really rip, and it's not sticky at all. This is a really good slime, you guys. I'm just gonna, and then after you're done actually making the slime, you can add like the little pieces that are still stuck inside the bowl. So yeah, I'm just gonna start doing that a little bit. But yeah, I'll say that this slime was a huge success. I would really recommend this. So yeah, this was a really good, I had a really good fun time doing this. So yeah, see you guys, but before we end the video, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye!